Alright, I think it's working. I say that every stream. Okay, cool. We do have the music a bit louder this stream, which I looked back at the VOD, I saw was kind of quiet. You know what? I even make a post about this. Let's see. Where is my stream? Just setting things up here, and we're going to be jumping into Forge today. Yesterday we played a ton. We got some experience in with the custom games and some of the new maps and the Forge AI. Of a dive into the new Forge AI. Cool. Post is out. All good to go. For today's soundtrack, I threw on a video from LEGO Manager. It's the top 26 Halo soundtracks of all time, because yesterday we were using just, I think, all of Halo 3's soundtrack. So I figured to mix it up, throw in some other Halo games into there. Other than that, my friend Chris actually gave me like $5 or $10 to finally get the Daisy Bear on the Mark 7 core, because you can wear the CQB helmet on it now, and you can finally create Daisy from Halo Legends, and I'm so excited about that. I always wanted to do that when Infinite came out, but we learned that the teddy bear charm was attached only to the Mark 7 core, which did not have CQB, but now that is fixed. I wouldn't say fixed, it's just more now you can put the CQB helmet on the other armor core. Alright, so I have a list of things I want to do. I kind of want to write up the list. Oh, you know what? I'm also missing chat on stream. Let me very quickly set that up. I should make like a bunch of bulletins of things I want to do. I definitely want to like rebind my Forge keys on keyboard and mouse today, because I do not like the layout. At least I'm not used to it, so I kind of just want to rebind the whole thing on this computer. But we will get around to that. Alright, let me find YouTube chat here, adding the chat to the screen. Oh. Am I not signed into the right account here? What is going on? Oh, yeah, we are. There we go. Got chat on screen, moving that little YouTube box out of the way. Hopefully that updates in a second here. Yeah, alright. I'm gonna throw some text on screen. Let me see if I can find it. Text GDI. This is going to be a to-do list. Forge. Let's do that. Rebind Forge keys. Check. What is it? The crow's nest? Crow's nest breakdown. Sorry, this is also going to take up a lot of the screen for a second. I do want to create a one flag CTF mode on Crow's Nest if I can edit it, so that maybe the AI could assist the attacking team. Like, it'd be cool to have a one flag CTF match where the AI is helping the attackers, because I feel like the defenders always have such an advantage in the game. Hey Hike, what's up, dude? We gotta do one flag or two flag. I think we'll do a CTF firefight mode. You doing good? Awesome, dude. Alright, let me shrink this on my screen. We'll find a tiny little place for this to exist. I'd like to change the font here. Oh, that's horrible. Oh, that's actually not that bad. It's worse than I thought. What are you doing? To be honest, not that good day. You miss CSGO so much. That's fair, man. Oh, that sucks to hear, dude. I'm currently starting up the Infinite stream here, and I'm just going to be checking out some of the map making stuff along with the AI. I did that yesterday, but today I kind of want to deep dive into it and help some people out and see if we could all learn together. Can't find any good games like CSGO. Valorant isn't good. I mean, CS2 is like CSGO. I mean, that's technically true. Alright, we'll put that over here. I know like CS2 doesn't have as much content as Go. Oh, Halo Wars. Dude, I love Halo Wars. The soundtrack, it's so good. If there's any soundtrack I really miss, it's this one. Like, it's so different, but it's still Halo, like, weirdly enough. I had 16 people last stream. I know, dude, there was a lot. Go look at the viewer count on that video just alone, or that stream alone. Stream more Halo. I think it's just because of the update. People are just really interested in like the AI. I saw some really weird takes. People were like, "Oh, people are excited for Halo and the player count doubled because they added a new weapon that has a new red dot." And I'm like, I really doubt that's the reason. It's definitely because of Forge AI. Like, having AI in the multiplayer games is insane. I can't really get the outline to look good on stream without it, like, really screwing up everything. So I'm just gonna kind of keep it there. Well, let me try adding the outline one more time. It's gonna die in 1 week? What, Infinite? No. Infinite would have died already if it wanted to. It's only been getting better. I think people overhype games dying way too often. People are like, oh, this game is dead. But like, in reality, it's doing fine. People were like, oh, Counter-Strike's a dead game. Bro, that game gets like 1 million views. Or 1 million concurrent players daily. Like, that's not a dead game. It's not even close to a dead game. You fear CS2 is gonna die? I really doubt it, man. Counter-Strike Go was made for consoles. It was a shitty start. It was horrible. It ended up becoming one of the best shooters of all time. Like, this stuff happens, man. Games bounce back. I don't think you have anything to worry about. You just gotta be patient. Dude, why can't I get this outline to look good? Okay, 20. I'll take that. That looks better. 24. Can I only do 20? Damn. Okay. It's because there's no new players. It's not gonna die, dude. Saying Counter-Strike is gonna die is like just, I don't even know how you could think that. Can't be patient. Well, sadly, that's the reality we're in right now. Games come out unfinished. You gotta wait like a year or two before they're actually ready. I mean, that's the case with every modern day game. It's the reality of the situation we live in. All right, so the first thing I want to do real quick is hop into a custom game, create match, check out the mode editor, and then let's see if we could find infection. Just a regular infection, and then I want to see if I can save settings for a game mode. Arena infection? I don't really know if that's what it's called. Maybe it is called arena infection. I don't know. Maybe arena is just the tag assigned to the game because it's a smaller based game mode with that many players. You missed the brain dead players. They're still there, dude. Trust me. I played enough CS2. There's still a lot of brain dead players. So I can save a copy right here, which is cool. I want to make a classic infection mode. Score to win unlimited, time limit 3 minutes, round limit 3 rounds, just like original infection. I feel like this already exists, like a Halo Reach style infection, but I just kind of want to do it anyway. Oh, you changed your profile picture. Nice. It's not the same. It's the same. It's the same game. It really is, man. It's just missing some casual modes. And it's got some issues that honestly CS:GO had way worse issues like years prior. All right, infected team loadout. So energy sword, secondary weapon. I don't know what to tell you, man. It's the same video game. If it doesn't feel the same, I don't know what to tell you. It's the same game with just updated graphics and some new mechanics. Starting equipment. Okay, so this is alpha infected. So can I not change the alpha infected from having cloak? And also I can't do a percentage based for starting infected. That's also kind of weird. You can increase the amount of people for last Spartan standing. That's kind of cool. I could turn off alpha infected. Start primary weapon. Shroud screen is just like a smoke grenade in this game, kind of. It's just used to block line of sight. The infected zombie players at the beginning get one. Okay. There's just a lot of settings here I've never really checked out. All right, so I want to change what these guys get. They get the quantum translocator. I want them to have thruster. So they also get the energy sword. Survivors get the commando. I would like to change this to the bulldog as a primary, and then the pistol sidekick. Starting equipment, threat sensor, grapple shot, repulsor. Repulsor sounds interesting. Like the repulsor sounds a lot more interesting than the threat sensor. Shroud screen. Because you can push back infected. I feel like that gives you... it also lets you jump a lot higher, so maybe it's a little busted. Thruster, Threat Seeker, Active Camo, Overshield, Quantum Locator. Thruster, oh, you can pick campaign variants. I'm just gonna pick none for now. I kind of want to do the repulsor and then give the alpha infected a grappling hook. I feel like that might be a little much, but it sounds interesting. Well, let's just make a very base infection mode from Reach. So I'll try not to do anything too crazy. Shroud screen, it's kind of needed for alpha infected, I feel. Weapon rack placement. Yes, we're gonna want most of these. I don't see why we would turn these off. These would just be map dependent. It would be weird to turn off any of these because then certain maps just wouldn't work. Okay, so that gives the weapons we want. Hey, Nicole.
I do.
Bot difficulty. I don't really care about bots too much. You just learned that Shroud was a pro CSGO player. You're making me feel old, man. That's how I knew who Shroud was, because I would watch him play for Cloud9. Friendly player collision, yes, of course. Gravity scaler, forward, back, speed scaler. I also don't listen to Shroud's opinions on games because I feel like sometimes they're not very good. I kind of ignore a lot of streamers' opinions on things because I don't know, they have such a weird skewed opinion on games. Like I remember like everyone was talking about how Halo Infinite would die without a battle royale, and like me, I knew no, it wouldn't. It would die because the game wouldn't have enough content to meet a Halo player's expectations of past games, and that's pretty much what happened. And everyone was quick to point out it's because of battle royale. It's like it really isn't. I don't care that Shroud said CS2 is gonna die. He literally. I thought he went to go play pro Valorant at this point. Reload while sprinting. Sprint resets. Jump height scaler. I think I'm just gonna leave most of these on. Counter-Strike 2 is 100%. Like, it's gonna have a moment of, like, hibernation until they get more updates out. And then it's gonna bounce back and be better than ever. Yeah, Valorant players saying CS2 is gonna die. Pretty much exactly my thoughts, even though he was, like, a pro CS player. Headshot bonus damage. Can I not change the movement speed of Infected? Like, Alpha Infected, true. Infected on death, true. Start primary weapon amount. Ammo amount. Set secondary weapon ammo amount. I'd like this to be just like 2 mags. Points per kill. Points per kill survivor. I don't really know how this works. Why do you get like multiple points for this? Points per kill, last person standing. Points per kill infected. Survivor betrayal penalty. Okay, but is there like infected oh, there is. Movement speed infected is 10%. I don't think that's correct. Wouldn't it be 100%? Because they're not slow. Set the jump height of infected. 100%. They do not get shields. Sprinting infected, true. Sprint acceleration. Okay, so this is something I feel a bit iffy about because they get a lot of extra movement speed. I think I might just maybe I get rid of sprint. I don't know. I don't want to change infected too much. Full speed infected. Set full speed of infected 100%. I don't. Okay, so is this just like acceleration, movement speed, acceleration, and then full speed, like their maximum speed? Weird. Exit speed animation. So whatever the exiting sprint animation is for an infected. I don't know what some of these are. Passenger seat only for infected. True. Weapon stays spawned after dropped. No. You don't understand all these things. It's fine. Hey, Morphex, what's up, dude? I'm basically just creating a Halo Reach styled infection game mode that just focuses on different equipment. I'm kind of just also learning the custom game settings. Use infected character visual effects. I think this is all good. Halo Reach infection. Cool. So does that save this mode in my files? It does. Sweet. And then we could always tweak that some other time. Okay, cool. I'll set it to public real quick. Let me public my fire team. And then for a map, we will do... we did sword base the other day. That actually was pretty good. Published files. Let's do sword base again. It's a handful of sword base maps. This one's pretty recent. I'm kind of curious what the aesthetic of this one is. That sounds good. You're going to be doing a bit of that today. You're going to be taking a look at that fortress map we were playing on, making the AI respawn, and maybe even switch teams accordingly with scripting. Yep, actually, those are all things we took a look at yesterday, except for like breaking down that map. I was told to check out the Crow's Nest firefight map if you want to learn the AI. So that's on my to-do list in the top right corner of the stream here. At the moment, I just wanted to throw together this alternate fire, not firefight, alternate infection game mode, just for fun. I'm curious to see. I've never edited a game mode yet, so figured this would be a very easy thing to do. Okay, so I do feel kind of fast, and my movement acceleration is pretty nuts. Oh, wow. This is a significantly different version of Sword Base compared to that one we were playing last night. I do not know how I feel about it. I'm going to end the game and actually go to that other one. But yeah, we're going to check out the Crow's Nest AI map. And we're going to use that and see if we can check out some of the coding in there and then remove the end game code. And then we're going to just make a prolonged version of One Flag CTF on that map. Just make our own versions of it. You asked, how do you feel about the way Infection is skinned this time around in Halo? I'm guessing you're talking about, like, gameplay-wise compared to other Halo? Or skinned in, like, the way the characters look? Are you saying kind of wish they would have had flood skins like players in Halo 4? I actually didn't really like the Halo 4 flood looks. Like, they were neat, but I much prefer just green zombies like for Infection. Like, Reach Infection was probably my favorite. I'm like super simple. I don't really care too much for like the lore reasons, whatever. Like, it was just a game mode. Yeah, so at least for me, I much prefer alpha zombies being red and then regular zombies being green. Ah, shoot, I forgot to grab water. Nicole, do you have any extra water? Okay, thanks.
Round one.
Yeah, I don't know if there's a way to really get rid of the alpha zombies cloak. And because I'm the only person in the lobby here, we don't have a player count. Or no, the timer counts down because there's a last Spartan left, even though there isn't. Okay, so I might remove sprint from regular zombies, keep it for the alpha zombie, and just make sprint slightly faster. Morphex, you were saying you agree. You just think the whole AI infected everyone could have been better done. That's just my opinion, though. I'm definitely with you on the zombies just being green. Yeah, I think it's neat, though. I prefer it compared to the Flood thing. I think the gameplay of Halo 4's Flood really messed up what was fun about Infection. It was weird having an Infection mode where the zombie height was like way too high and their movement speed was way too high compared to the survivors. That kind of like threw me for a loop. Infection team loadouts. Okay, so I want to turn off sprinting for the infected. Which Halo song is this? Why do I not remember which one this is from? Hold on. This doesn't even sound like Halo. Oh my god, it's from Halo Legends. It's the package short. I completely forgot about that. It's like, what song am I listening to? Yeah, minus all that, I guess I'm just more towards there being flood skin / zombie like player models. That's fair. It'd be sick if we got flood AI in Infinite at some point in time. I would love that. That's probably asking for a lot, considering, you know, there just isn't any in the campaign. Okay, so full speed. This is just regular infected. We got alpha infected here. So movement speed alpha. I don't know what it means by like 10%. Why would it be 10%? Shield HUD, alpha infected. False, false. Sprinting, true. See, they have sprint acceleration time increased. Exit speed animation. I don't know what this means. How long have I been playing Halo? Since probably 2008. Maybe 2007. Somewhere around there. Just before ODST's release. So that, let's see. Halo ODST release. So just before 2009. Like September 2009 was when ODST came out. So before then. But I didn't play Halo until after Halo 3's release. You weren't even born? Oh my god. Ugh. I feel so old now. Pain. Yeah, I was 9 at that time already, dude. Sprint acceleration. Okay, we're looking for... I think we're pretty much good. We just need to look for regular infection. Where was that? Just regular infected. And change, get rid of their sprint. And their shields. So I think they're good. Jump height needs to be increased to 120, I think, for both. Full speed, alpha infected. Alpha infected should also have higher jump. Jump height 120 for both. Okay. Okay, does that save over that mode, or like how does that work? So if I pick the mode, go to my files, there's just straight up a copy. I do not know which one is which now. Date modified, this would be the wrong one. How do I delete something? F to view details. Delete file. It says deleting the file, okay. So you're 23 years old. Not as old as I thought. Hey, we're both 23. Nice. More effects, we're both the same age. That's funny. Thought I was gonna be 27. Man, I can't even picture that right now. Born just in the nick of time for golden age of gaming. You say when games are partially released. Yeah, I'd say golden age for gaming might have been like just a couple years younger. So like 1998 or 7. Then you really could have just experienced some of those games at their prime. Even a little bit earlier too, to get to experience like Halo 2 multiplayer on the original Xbox.
Round 1.
Oh wow, we really screwed something up. Holy crap. Okay. Alright, let's see what the jump height is. Yeah, oh man, I don't know what I did. I don't think this is correct. Hike, what are the games you grew up with? What are you gonna tell people you played? I don't know what I did to screw up the movement that bad. That was 120%. Movement speed infected. Okay, maybe it's that initial speed there. Full speed 100%, movement speed should be 10. Then how do I change the movement speed of the player? Movement, okay. Skip all these settings. Sprinting on. Sprint speed, default. Time to sprint. Slide, whatever. These are all just kind of normal. Jump height, default, and they lets you go higher. Okay, so for infected, is there also a default setting for these dudes? There's not. We got some Halo 5 music going on. That's okay. Halo 5 has some okay soundtracks, or songs in the soundtrack. I also played CS 1.6 back in like 2016. Oh, that feels weird. That feels weird to say. Okay, let's see what this did. Hopefully this should fix this issue here. Yeah, guys, we're gonna check out some AI stuff soon. I'm just working on the Halo Reach styled infection game mode for game night this weekend. We're gonna also set up basically just a bunch of custom game modes for game night. So if you guys want to be participating in that, hop into the Discord in the description and just click that you're interested in the event. And then, yeah, we'll pop in the VC and we'll hang out on your Saturday. I think it's Saturday, scheduled for 6:30 p.m. Eastern time. Kind of late in the day, depending on your time zone.
Round 1.
Nah, this still... Oh, man, I screwed something up, man. All right, we're gonna give up on this for now. And then we're gonna go straight into the Forge AI. We're gonna go check out the Crow's Nest Firefight map. See, I just want Infected to have regular movement speed. And then I can just tweak some of the settings. Morphex, you said you never played Counter-Strike before and you played CS2 for the first time the other day. Double CF 17. Oh, dude, I'm already like losing my sanity. Double 17, you said you just went into the Crow's Nest map and opened up the node graph. It's pretty big. Oh no. Well, let's go take a look at it. I'm curious. So how do I do this? Do I go into Forge? Click on the maps, search Crow's Nest. Let's just type in Firefight. Should be this one right here. It might ask me to rename it. Crow's Nest Firefight CTF. I want to make a CTF variant of this map, so that's my goal. All right, so the issue we had yesterday was when we played this map, tried to do 1 flag or 2 flag. The AI, like there's script in this map that just ends the game because it's meant to be Firefight. So it's cool, but like I want 2 teams playing CTF and the waves just keep coming. And we're gonna try to figure out like what cool spin can we put on the Firefight match here to do that. Oh, cool, my game crashed. Alright. Well, it's not the first time that's happened. Hiker said that you didn't play CSGO when it was gold? Talking about like its prime time? Because you kind of did. You also said FIFA 17 was the best football game in my opinion. I've never touched a FIFA game. I am not too big into sports games. I played like NBA 2K15, maybe 2K12 even. That was it, man. Or unless we're talking like Mario Baseball. Or Mario Golf or something like that. Or Mario Tennis. Or Super Mario Strikers. I don't think it was called Super Mario. I think it was just Mario Strikers, which was our football/soccer game, which was very fun. I love that game. I think it was remade recently. Or a sequel of it came out. Morphex, so you know the AI just came out, but do you think they'll ever be able to increase the AI count in the future? I think if they drop support for the Xbox One, they can increase the AI count, but I feel like they also need to optimize it a bit more too, because we're crashing even with 32 AI is the max now. So I feel like there's definitely some bugs to work out first. Maybe they can increase it down the line. It'd be nice to see the AI get up to 42. I don't think it needs to go higher than that though, like realistically. Unless you're trying to have just a massive sprawling map with a lot of AI, which I feel like is just bad optimization. Because a lot of the issue is it's a runtime budget. Like it's everything going on screen, including players, networking, all that AI, like the campaign AI. Like, the campaign is struggles to have 4 people close to each other. And, like, there's limitations there. And that's just 4 people, you know? Infinite could have, like, what, 28 people? Like, it's a lot. Hopefully we don't crash again, because I really want to take a peek in here. Oh, it's loading. It's loading. Maybe we won't crash. Let's see. Hike, you said you're going to be back in 40 minutes. You're going to watch your show? Awesome, dude. Have fun. Hope it goes well. Hey, we loaded in. Sweet. Okay, wow, there's a lot going on. first things first, what the hell are these purple zones? Player blocker. Okay, so that just keeps players from going out of bounds. Are these landmines? Are they just props? Okay, there's just landmines flying out here. And then a prefab for audio. Interesting. Terrain flat. Okay. Terrain looks pretty neat. I'm not used to like seeing, you know, big sprawling detailed maps like this yet. Morphex, you said you're a big PC enthusiast. What is your rig? Oh boy, you're gonna love this then. So I have a RTX 3090 FTW alongside a Ryzen 7. I think it's a 7. Ryzen 7 7800 X3D. I think that's a Ryzen 7. So I got like top tier parts other than my graphics card not being the literal pinnacle of hardware. Shoot, man. Okay. There's just a lot going on in this scene. Okay, so we need the scripting. Hey, there's the brain. Perfect. I was just about to look for it. I forgot there's an outliner to look through here. So let's check out the node graph. Whew, okay. That's not that bad. I've seen worse. I've done worse. I've done worse in Unreal Engine. Okay, so this seems to be object references for all the different types of phantom spawners. You got phantom spawner 1, 2, 3. There seems to be some code here to get a random player. Let's kind of just break down what's going on here. So, here's some really easy one. When an AI unit is killed, everyone gets a personal score adjustment of 100. I guess they get 100 XP or 100 points every time they kill a player or an AI. So this code isn't really necessary to the game mode we're trying to build. So we will scoot this down and leave it there. Come back to it. This code gets all the squads on a team. I think this is AI related, so it gets all the AI squads. This is probably Marine related. So when a player marks, it gets the current squad. Set squad follow object. Okay, so this... I think this uses player marking to move the AI to a location you want them to go to. It's a decent amount of scripting, but it's not unmanageable, man. Like this is pretty like simplistic to understand. But there's a lot. It's a good thing there's a lot here though, because we could break down all of it and kind of learn how things work. But yeah, this seems like on player mark. It's set squad follow object, uses the player target object as the target object, and gives a follow radius of 25. So when you mark, it just seems like you're making all the AI follow you. Because it's not using the call out position, which would be, I would assume, a vector value for the AI to move to. So let's give that a shot. Let's see if that code actually does anything. So we'll press F6 here. I think we're on one of the teams. So we should see these dudes here. So if I mark, they should come over to me. Right? They're calling me Chief. Yeah, look at that. So pinging brings the AI to you. It's not based on the ping, it just straight up sets them attached to you. Okay, so if I just run all the way over here, they're gonna follow me. Yeah, uh-oh.
This damn fight. On to the next brush with death, I guess. Down today.
Oh my god. There's a lot going on here. Oh, I did not even see that guy. Okay. Okay, we need to chill here. All right. Okay. So that's what that code does. That's pretty neat. Let's see. So this gets a random player. Get object position. So we're getting the position of the player. They're seeing if the player is dead. We're doing nothing with that code, apparently. I'm guessing it's supposed to be an if statement. Like, if the player's dead, don't do this. Every 2 seconds with an initial delay of 10 seconds, it's going to take the AI move zone object reference. So this is literally, I'm guessing this is just moving. This is telling the AI to find the player, like randomly, just any random player in the game. This is telling the AI to go find them. Every 2 seconds, it's moving where they're located. So this is cool. Object reference AI move zone. It's grabbing the AI move zone in the world that all the spawners are probably attached to for like the drop ships and stuff. This is a smart way of doing it because any squad that isn't attached to this move zone will not listen to this. So this is very specific for certain AI you want to spawn in. It is doing a get all squad check here. Get generic list. There's a little bit of back and forth wiring here. So I'm gonna try to untangle this just so it's not looking atrocious for us to stare at. Sometimes spaghetti code needs to look readable. So getting all the squads, checking the list. So it's getting an item count. It's picking a random number from 1 to whatever. So it's just getting a random squad, right? And then it's grabbing a random squad. It's telling that random squad to go to here. Oh, okay. So it's grabbing a random squad and it's telling a random squad, hey, go to your new location. So the random player is the target object. Why are they setting the move zone separate to the follow object? That's interesting. Okay, so this just seems to be like not pathfinding, but like getting AI to attack a player, like find them on the map. So they kind of see through walls. It's like smoke and mirrors right here. So it's literally the AI code that determines how they find you. Or how they can navigate to you. On player spawn, give player new equipment, grapple shot. So everyone just gets a grapple shot when they start the game. Okay. It's a little bit unrelated, so we'll just keep that down there. And then for the rest of this code, this all seems to just be wave options for spawning in different waves, including a bunch of object references to prefabs and the different types of spawners. So I wish you get group nodes in this so that you don't have this going on, or you can reuse nodes. All right, so long story short, we'll just look at one of these because the rest of these are probably the same. Take a phantom spawner, right? It's taking a phantom spawner, an AI drop pod, it's taking 2 AI drop pods, creating an object list. It's combining the object lists. We're also combining another object list. So this is literally just grabbing references to all these different things here. So all these spawners are getting combined into an object list. Once it does that, it's taking that list, AI spawner list. So this is all the spawners it's getting to use here. So here's wave options: incoming message true, outgoing message true. So how does this get fired off then? Because it seems like nothing really happens. Um, add wave to manager. Object lists. So this just seems to be a bunch of references. All this is really doing is just creating the wave spawner, like, it's assigning spawners to waves. I don't think it's actually controlling the wave itself. Although the extermination percentage is set to 50% for all these, meaning if 50% of the AI die, I think it spawns the next wave. So that makes sense. Add AI to wave manager. Okay, so here we go. We have an on gameplay start event. This is what's controlling everything. So when the gameplay starts, it's going to add this wave here. So these are just wave options. Wave options goes in here. AI spawner list. So this is all the lists of the AI spawners. And then creates a wave. Creates another wave. All this is really doing is just adding a bunch of waves. How, like, I'm still confused how this works. So we can see, we're using drop pod 4105 88886 4105 4105. None of these use 4105 afterwards. And these are all prefabs. So there's just probably like 4 drop pod spawners on top of each other that are different waves. Elijah, you said you figured out how to get infinite waves, but respawning for players is fucked. You don't know how to do it. Respawning for players, are you talking about like a live-based thing? Like a life-based mode? Or just like respawning in general? Okay, I kind of understand the code that's going on here. It's just weird. So it looks like you get a phantom on wave 1. A phantom on whatever wave this is attached to. Because they don't really define it. So you get wave 1 here, I'm guessing. Wave 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 waves, I think. I think that's what that means. Where is the end game code when all the AI are dead? Oh, sorry, Morphex, I totally missed your PC rig question. Or not your question, but your response. You said, that's good, you know, based on what I said. You're running a RTX 4080 with an AMD Ryzen 59 or 7950X. A bit of a tech junkie. You got like 7 PCs. You run some dedicated servers off your PC. Dude, same here, but I don't have 7 PCs. I got like 2 PCs, and the one I built for my girlfriend, the one I built for my dad. So we got like 4. I think in total, I've built probably 6 PCs over the years. Maybe more or less. I don't remember. Let me quickly put on the Be Right Back screen, if I can remember what button it was. I don't know if that comes with music. Hold on, sorry, it's been a while since I've actually checked this out. Hold on. Okay, yeah, I will be back in less than 5 minutes here. I just gotta run downstairs real quick. Thanks. All right. We are back. Sorry, I needed to use the restroom. Okay, so there's got to be a second script brain because one, this says script brain 1, meaning there's at least one named script brain. Because there's code that was missing. Should be able to find it. So I'm going to open the outliner here. Where would it be? See, this is where I would appreciate. Oh, they're all called my subfolders. Oh god. There's so much to scroll through. Oh no. I'm assuming this is the map. It's gotta be the map. If it's not the map, we gotta at least find the script. Oh, we found it. It's right here. There's another one right here. Take us to it. Where is it at? Hello, Hike. Welcome back again. I gotta find where this is. Move. No. No, I didn't want to move it. I wanted to go to it. Oh my god. Script brain. Where are you at? Script brain 1. So we know about that one. You were watching shorts. Nice. Ate mac and cheese. Hell yeah. Okay, well here's script brain 2. Let's just grab the other one as well because I don't like the idea of the script brains existing in this godforsaken folder. Okay, are they both here? They are not. Why can they not both? Oh, they do. Okay, whoo. They're both here. We're good. We're good. They're both in the modes folder. Sure. Whatever. How the hell do I select this? Grab selected. So that's one. Okay, we don't need to grab that. Grab this one. Does that work? This looks like the one we took a look at already. Meaning there is another script brain somewhere in this world. And I'm struggling to find it. See, I'd like to just double click and it take me to it, right? That would be nice. Okay, so it looks like we have it selected. I just press Q node graph now? No. Damn it. Like you said, bro, what are you doing? What do you mean, what am I doing? I'm checking out map making. This shit ain't a glamorous process. This stuff is tedious, man. I was gonna do it anyway today, so I figured I'd stream it. I'm just like, why can I not grab it? That's what I'm most like confused by. I was gonna play multiplayer. Can you not read? The name of the stream is talking about just 4JI and learning it. I might play multiplayer later, but no, god no, I'm not playing it right now. Place an empty subfolder. Shit, man, I don't know how to find, like, or grab another object in the outliner. Morphex, if you're here right now, do you know how to grab something that exists in the folders? Because, like, I want to grab this other script brain and, like, piece it apart. Like, I can grab this one. It says I have that one selected. No, it doesn't work, man. Where would it be located? I either have to find it in the world or like hope that it there's a solution to like grabbing it. But I don't trust like the map creator, like where he physically put it. Found it. Oh my god. That wasn't that bad. Okay, what does this control? Alright, this actually looks like the rest of the code. On wave end, end around winning team. Cool. This is what we want to get rid of. So the Eagle defenders always win. That's cool, but no, not what we want to do at all. At least we know where that code is now. Scoot that over there. Let's see. So this is getting object references, spawners. On wave end, set number variable. Get number variable, identifier waves, global. So it just picks it adds a number. Okay. So it's adding 1 to the number of waves. I'm just kind of glancing over. Oh, there's a lot going on here, man. Get number variable. Get list size, random, whole number, object index, get position. Not too sure what this one is doing because I don't really know what the prefab is. Okay, gonna skip over this. Get wave manager status. Compare. Okay, so it looks like there's 7 waves here. And it sorts between 7 different waves. Add wave to wave manager. This is what I'm going to learn in game development. Man, I'm dead. Dude, this shit's easy. You think this is difficult in game development? This is the easy part of game development. A game developer had to come here and make the scripting language for you to be able to interact with it, for me to be able to interact with it. This had to be made. That was the game development. That was the more challenging part. This is the easy part. So it looks like there's only 7 waves. We can't really test that because of how the map is. Like, the enemies are just too hard for me to handle on my own. Can I not move objects through walls? Like, is that not a setting? Because that really bothers me. Man. Okay. So we're just gonna put both the script brains next to each other so we know where they're located. Don't really know why they're in 2 separate rooms. Okay. So here's the part I'm curious about. If I move this drop pod here, is there gonna be another drop pod inside the drop pod? No, there's not. Okay. Interesting. Same with the phantom. Oh, there are 2 phantoms here. Phantom Spawner 2, Phantom Spawner 1, and probably the original here. So they got 3 Phantom Spawner here. So we need to just write code to restart the waves once you're done with them. Okay, so I think we could probably do that. ScriptBrain 2 has code based on wave ending. So on wave end round. Winning team. End game true. Here's the code we're going to change. We're going to take this on wave end, and we're going to see if we can just restart the waves. It's weird how this works though, because this is on wave end. There's also an on wave end event here too. So how does it know to trigger this on wave end? Unless that's not the true ending. Current objective, string 1. Okay. Survive. String 2 is empty. Players empty. Get all players. So is this just one wave? You have to learn. You're gonna learn some JavaScript code. Bye. Have a great stream. Awesome, dude. Go have fun learning Java. Coding language is hard, so I hope it goes well, man. Best of luck. All right, so just glancing at the code, I think it just kind of looks like there's only one wave. There's add wave to wave manager. Maybe we could check out some things regarding whatever the wave manager is. Yeah, programming is not that much fun, I understand. And then this is just doing checks to get prefabs, get object at index. Round to whole number. This is just, that's math. I'm not sure what this is doing. All we need to do to make the game keep running though, although albeit without AI, is to just clear this connection to end the game. It'd be cool to get on wave end if we could find AI waves. Here we go. So there's end current wave, then on wave end. So I'd like to restart the wave, remove upcoming waves, remove any queued waves after the current one. So this queues up the waves and then fires them off. So that seems to be how this mode works. Adds a wave to the queue of a wave manager, which automatically spawns waves until its queue is empty. There can be up to 8 wave managers running simultaneously. What? That's a lot. Get wave manager status, remove upcoming waves, wave. Define a wave of AI units that spawn from a spawner list. The wave will end once all units are killed. Okay, here's what we do. On this on wave end here, I'm gonna copy it. And instead of ending the round, we're gonna move this code to this brain, I think. And all I'm gonna do is take this on gameplay start. I'm gonna change to on wave end. Add this as well. Oh, we can't. Okay, hold on. On gameplay start. So this is what kicks off the whole, like, combining all the waves and declaring, like, your wave, like the amount of waves that are queuing up. If we can just make it so that when the game ends here, restart the wave queue, then it would work, right? That's my thought process here. The issue is that this only has one execution pin, so there's got to be a way to plug in 2. I wish we could type, man. I guess maybe somewhere in logic, Boolean branch. Reaxter51, you said like yesterday you're trying to find out how to put squads in the node map. Ye funny? What? Squads in the node map. Not too sure what you're saying about, or what you're talking about. I know like AI squads are just kind of created based on how many enemies you spawn at a spawn point. That is a squad to my knowledge. At least I think. Oh, that's weird. You can extend it? Oh no, just... Oh, that is really weird. Okay. The branch doesn't seem like it's gonna work here. We need like a... I don't know what it would be. We need like an or like a not a sequence node, but like I should just be able to plug in both these executions into the same pin here. Like, I don't see why I couldn't just do this, but it's not letting me. Reaxer said, but how can you put a squad, a name like example in the node map? You know it. I'm not sure. It might just be when you click. Let's see. So there should be AI squads in this session I'm in now. If we go to get squad from AI units, get squads on all teams, get all squads. Well, you can get a list of squads here, and then you can list all their names. But you're trying to like get a specific name for a squad. Get squad definition from AI spawner. I'm not really sure. The list might be it. So yeah, you just go to your list. I think it's for each generic, whoops, for each generic item here. Ah, not used to how that works. And then you would plug in the squad list. And then this will give you like the current item would be the squad. So this would be that specific squad, but this iterates through all the squads that exist. If you want a specific squad, you'd have to do it based on the spawner. So like, let's say you have a phantom spawner, right? Then you would take the phantom spawner, you would get the squad of the spawner. So I think there's this get squad definition from AI spawner. I think there's just a get squad from spawner. Maybe there isn't. Squad override. Kill squad all. Kill all squads. Get squad from AI unit. Returns the squad that the AI unit belongs to. So that's just like a specific AI unit. Get squad definition from AI spawner. Maybe it is this one. I don't know. Get AI units from squad. Get all AI units. Yeah, I don't know. It seems like it might be a good direction. So this will be the AI spawner, so like your phantom drop or whatever, you just get a reference to it. And then you take the squad definition and then maybe check to see if it's the same as the current squad. I don't know. So I haven't figured that out yet, but that's something to at least look into. How did all these come from? All right, so on wave end, plug into add wave to wave manager. Why can't I just do this? Yeah, try that. Thanks for the help. Keep it up. Thanks, dude. I appreciate it. Hopefully that does help at all. I might make a Forge text chat in our Discord, like the community Discord we have, so that we could all try to figure this out together. Sweet. Well, I'm looking forward to what you create, or what you're trying to create. Man, what would give me access? Oh, there's a recent node list. Okay, that's cool. Debug wouldn't do it. There's print though. That's cool. Events. No. I'm just gonna skip over the events. It's probably none of these. Boolean logic. Operation. Okay, hold on. Nope. Damn. And branch is just true or false, so. Where did that go? Oh, it crashed, didn't it? No, I think I saved. Man, dude, this crashing sucks. Why is Arma 3 updating? Is that why I crashed? Halo Infinite and PC crashes a lot. Yeah, I'm feeling that, man. It's a pain. Man, it sucks when it crashes in Forge, too. Alright. Hopefully it didn't completely get rid of the save, because I did save, so. Did I not actually save? No, okay, there it is. I was like, what? Nowadays you get less crashes, but it still happens sometimes. Yup. It's a lot of the Forge, man. Forge and custom games. Very crash heavy on computer. All right. While this is loading, I guess I'll go ahead and just mention again that if you guys want to join in a community game night, we're going to be doing one Saturday at 6:30 p.m. this weekend, Eastern time. So all you have to do is just hop into the Discord in the description, and then we'll be popping in voice chat. We'll be hanging out this weekend, having some fun. Hopefully I can get some Firefight CTF mode working on here that doesn't respawn or doesn't end the game when the enemies are dead. Oh, cool. Okay, it looks like it still kept my save, so that's good. So there's one of the script brains. Let's check out the other one here. Okay, so it looks like it's saved when I was screwing around with some of these nodes, so we'll just delete them. And then we were kind of... Can I save? I'm just gonna do it right now again. Hop in here. Okay. So we were looking through the settings here for... What was it? Logic, I think? There kind of just doesn't really seem to be any execution logic. Objects, switches, traits, units, switch would work, right? Players, traits, stopwatches, UI, nav markers, units, vehicles. Damn. I gotta Google this. Like, I'm kind of just lost. Halo Infinite, how to plug 2 execution pins into one input. Branch with multiple inputs. So someone's looking at Unreal Engine stuff. Oh my god, this is Unreal Engine. This is even Halo. Okay, I gotta be more specific, it seems. I'm also doing this on another monitor. Halo Infinite Forge. Scripting. Oh boy. Like, I just want to add a new event. Maybe, okay, let's take a look at the events. On game start. I'm just going to try this, like, for an example. So gameplay start. I can't plug in 2 events into one thing. Why not? I'd love to. Shoot, man. Like, maybe I can, okay, maybe I can pull off a branch. Is this execution? Can this be an execution pin? No. Wait, yes. Okay. Maybe we could do something with that. So this gives me 2 execution pins. On the same condition, but I don't know if it works. Like, I don't want to copy and paste all this code just to do the same thing here. Why am I just like having a massive brain fart with this? Like, it should be as simple as just having 2 things that could execute this event, right? But I just don't think it's possible. I could literally just copy all the code over. That's all I'd have to do. Oh, the way this would be done in Unreal 2 is like dragging off an execution pin, creating a custom event, and then having each of these fire off that custom event. That's why I'm like struggling to... Speaking of which, is there custom events? Custom events? No, these are... Oh, on custom event. Okay. Trigger custom event. Oh my god. I think there's just straight up custom events from Unreal. I think we might be saved here. So all I need to do is to, screw that branch, right? Trigger this custom event. Identifier. We could probably change this in the settings, right? Node name, trigger custom. Identifier. We can just name it. Build waves. Object, doesn't matter. Number. What? I don't know what the number is for. Okay. Whatever. Copy, paste. Clear this connection. So we're triggering the custom event on both of these nodes here. And then this is now the execution. This is the custom event. So this is called... I wish I'd have a list of our variables or the names. So this is build waves with a space. Cool. That should now be our custom event. Oh, did we just crash? No, okay. Woo! That's our custom event. That will now fire off. Let's back out, save. Go to node graphs. So cool. This is gameplay start. So I don't know how this works exactly, but this might work now. Or this is horrible and not gonna work at all. But these are both told to trigger this event. And that's all that matters. So we're gonna back out, save the map, we're gonna run the code. We're gonna see how this goes.
Reinforcements.
Alright, so we heard reinforcements. I wonder if I, you know, hypothetically break out of this mode. Go back into here. If I were to just quickly remove all this coding I did, and just connect here, how does it play? I want to see if anything's different. So we hear reinforcements. Some banished drop pods should be laying. There's some grunts. They know where I'm at since I'm the only person, and there's pathfinding code to find me. Speaking of which, I think there's a ghost coming to get me. Or there will be a ghost to come and get me. Dude, honestly, the fact that there's custom events has just made this like 17 times more bearable. Because I can use custom events to pretty much fire off any sort of coding I want without needing the spaghetti to connect them. Hopefully they work like that in this engine. Cool. There's hunters. Okay. And a chopper. All right. Oh. Oh, hello. They're supposed to know where I'm at. Oh, they definitely found me. Okay. That's not an issue then. All right, so that works as intended because we haven't really changed any of the code. So we're going to go back to that AI logic, which is over here. And then we will re-implement the custom event code. And it should just work. There we go. Press F6. It should work now. I think I removed the code for the game ending. So this should, in theory, create a perpetual... Did I just grab the bandit? There we go. Create a perpetual firefight match as we're playing like CTF or something. So the round should always respawn, or enemies should always respawn. I wonder if this team gets AI. Ooh.
Hopping on the turret.
So if I just chill over here, the AI should just come and find me. Oh yeah.
Everybody fire! Destroy his target. He is attacking! Do not underestimate.
See, the chopper doesn't really work super well here, but that's fine.
Weak, hairless human.
He called me a hairless human. That's so rude, man. It should be spawning another wave once we kill enough of the AI. Oh, those hunters are still alive. That's probably half the reason why nothing's respawning. Gravity hammer for the win. Holy shit. Okay.
I have been waiting for this.
Are you new?
Now that's a...
Should be respawning a wave. I think I did hear another wave spawn in from like the drop pod though. Yep, here we go.
Grenade out!
We're just playing single player firefight for now, I guess. It's kind of cool actually. Oh my god, there's so many. I'm gonna die. Woo. Oh, Phantom's coming in. Okay, so things are working. I gotta get out of here, man. Nope. Nope. Goodbye. Jeez, it's a Hydra, man. Gotta have this. Yikes. Nope, goodbye. Oh! There is a Wraith. There is a Wraith. I'm also out of AI, I'm guessing. I don't think they respawn. I'm just killing as many as I can. So I think this game mode is working. It's just a matter of, do the AI respawn? Bruh. Alright, so we also take this game mode two ways. If this doesn't respawn all the AI after the game ends... Oh yeah. Then we can do one flag CTF and make a set. If you kill all the AI waves, you win the match. We could also make all the AI join the other, like the attacking team. There's a lot of variation we could do to this mode here. But I think just having a CTF mode for Rat's Nest is pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and run a custom game of this. Because I need everyone to kill the AI. Oh, it's you from the campaign. Oh no. The biggest issue you have with encountering with Forge AI is player respawning. Okay, I have a great question. Like, why is the AI, or sorry, why is player respawning being a problem? Like, is it something to do with your node graph? Because players should just respawn based on the game mode you pick. It basically says there are no friendly respawns nearby like in campaign. Oh. Maybe you don't have any respawn points on the ground? I don't know. Like, do you, like, I don't know, it's a weird question, but do you have like these respawn points? You don't need the initial ones, you just need the regular ones. There are. Okay. Are you just playtesting it in the Forge editor, like using the runtime thing? Okay, I'm also gonna save this here, and I'm going to run a custom game for this and open a public lobby. So if anyone here watching the stream wants to join, now would be the time. So you're just gonna search for Crow's Nest Firefight CTF in the custom game browser. No, you're testing it with bots on customs. Make sure the game mode you're playing wasn't like something that restricts life and spawning. So just test it on like Slayer or something. Unless you're trying to get like a more classic firefight mode set up and you're using... Oh, is this not the CTF one? Hold on. CTF. Oh, this is the CTF one. There we go. Mode editor. I will open up the lobby publicly in a second here. I'm gonna do big team battle CTF. You also would probably do more than just CTF. One flag, CTF, that's Fiesta. Big team battle heavies, big team battles, CTF. You're testing it with attrition. Okay, attrition is the issue then. I'm not... Maybe you need spawn points that are just set to attrition spawns. The life pool drops. Yeah, maybe you just don't have attrition spawns. Maybe they're like game mode specific spawning. Or maybe there's something to do with just attrition and like enemies being around spawn points where like it just won't respawn you. I don't know. That's my best guess. We're gonna try to limit the player count here to what, 12? 16? So 8v8. I'm trying to create conquests like in Star Wars Battlefront 2. That would be awesome, dude. That is actually such a smart idea. Oh my god. I never even thought about that. Okay, that's pretty cool. Can you even like give that many lives to do that? Also, the lobby's public now if anyone wants to just do like a quick round or two. It should just be under Crow's Nest Firefight CTF and Big Team Battle CTF. Actually, it is public. Okay, I just double checked. Yes, you can. That's really sick. Okay, I have no idea why the spawning is being weird on that. Score to win 3. Kind of want to make it 3 rounds. Unlimited time. Score to win is 1. No, because it's gonna be firefight. We want to have 3 scores, time unlimited. Round limit is 1. Round limit is off. What does that do? 1 standard. Okay. Halo Wars music is so good. I know, dude. I love Halo Wars music. Specifically Halo Wars 1. That entire soundtrack is so good, man. I'm thinking of just doing a Halo Wars exclusive playlist while streaming at one day. All right, well, we'll do three flag capture. So this is 2 flag CTF. Let me change weapons. AR start, bandit is secondary. I'm gonna change this to the sidekick. 1 frag grenade to start because I want to kind of lower grenade spam. Everything else I'll just keep default, really. Not too big on changing much settings. HUD, motion tracker, smart link. Friendly player outlines on. Enemy player outlines on. I kind of want to turn outlines off for friendlies. No, because that wouldn't... We'll just leave it. I don't want to like force people to play a certain way. I'd have to create like a specific game mode for that. Tucker fan 1156. Are you like Tucker fan is in like red versus blue? ODST and 2 are your favorite soundtracks? Yeah, that's fair. I love ODST's soundtrack. I like Reach's soundtrack too. I like 3 soundtrack. I pretty much like all of them except for most of 4 and most of 5. There's a couple of good ones in there, but I much prefer the classic soundtracks. I think like half of Infinite's soundtracks are really good. Yeah, you are a Tucker fan, as in like Red vs. Blue. That's awesome, dude. I actually went to RTX this year. That's really neat. I've been a fan of RVB for probably even before I started playing Halo. Turn on friendly player collision because it should be on, dude. It's so fun. Say, man, Marty was cooking with CE and Reach. Yeah, he was. I can throw on bots. I forgot about that. So whoever a team needs to have their flag at home in order to score. Yes, we want that. I kind of want to throw on bots to fill up the teams. So I'm just going to add, I think 4 bots per team. Oh, is this CE? This is Combat Evolved music or soundtrack. I got just like a bunch of Halo songs playing. You've been a fan of RVB since the Reach season. You've watched it like fully 4 times now. Yeah, I think I started around season 8. So season 8 is about when I started watching it. I actually didn't really watch the earlier seasons. I kind of started like midway, which is a bit weird, like after season 5. Let's try these settings. We're just gonna rename this Big Team Battle CTF Firefight. No one has joined yet, man. Damn. That's fine. We threw in some bots, so like we can just play it. See if it works. Actually, I should probably change the Spartan AI difficulty. Let's do ODST. Let's make them at least semi-competent. But there's a public lobby if anyone here wants to join. But yeah, Tucker, we're doing a game night Saturday in the community Discord server in the description. If you want to pop in, we got like a handful of people we're gonna be hopping into from today's stream and last stream, and some of the friends I play with too. Tucker, you said, bro, the early seasons weren't a lot, but they were hilarious. Season 5 is when the plot picked up. Definitely.
Capture the flag.
I like a lot of Red
flags to
vs. Blue.
score.
Reinforcement.
All right, we got 4 AI. They seem to be doing their thing. I'm gonna try to get the Marines here. Maybe they'll hop into the Warthog.
Yep. I call shotgun.
Yeah.
Chain gun,
Try to make it for Saturday for sure. Yeah, sweet. You got Discord, just pop in.
Get rolling.
There's a announcement and stuff you could
At your service,
just
Chief.
click that you're interested in. And it'll let us know how many people are gonna show up. All the details will be attached or just in server text channels. Yeah, I'm trying to work on some of the game mode stuff right now. This is one of the, I don't know if this is dev made, but it's like one of the, hey, we got Firefight working, download the map to check it out modes. And I've been reworking it to work for CTF so that it doesn't end when you beat the Firefight portion of it.
That's ahead.
Reinforcement.
Yeah, let's get those grunts. Oh shoot, the hunters are up there. It feels a little unfair that the Marines don't respawn, and there's no Marines on the other side too. Like, I feel like we should have Marines for both sides. I did not mean to team kill there. Oh my god, I just did it again. Oops.
Enemy contacts.
Okay. Give me a second here. All right, sweet. I'm actually kind of shocked that this lobby isn't filling up quickly. I'll just keep playing until it does. Maybe it's because the player count has a limit.
Re-engaging.
Maybe people are just seeing that and be like, oh, there's not that many people that can join.
That's why I love Spartan.
Oh. Trying to get back into Infinite because he used to forge an older game. Same here, man. Uh-oh. Please hop out. Sniper, hop out! Oh my god. That was so close. Oh no, that's a hunter! Oh god. I keep forgetting that there even is bot support in the base game. Like, that's really cool. Alright, there's a hunter over here. Resorting to the turret. Oh no. Oh, I'm dead. I am absolutely dead. Oh, there's a phantom coming in too. I'm kind of surprised they haven't grabbed the flag at all. Right now, you're almost done with a map you're working on. You just got to put in some more scripts and touch the map up and make it look good. Awesome, dude. You should post some screenshots of it in the Discord. I'm curious to see what it looks like. I got him. Return the flag, return the flag. Does he have an energy sword? He does. Look at him go. Oh, nope. Nope. I'll take that. That's kind of what I was reaching for. Oh, that poor grunt. Oh, his chopper's still working. So far it looks like the AI keeps respawning. It's just a matter of do they keep going after we kill every single wave of the firefight team. That's pretty much what I'm testing right now. Oh, that was pretty cool. You're gonna post screenshots when it gets closer to being finished. You're messing around with AI scripting. I'm not sure what you want, or if you want AI on your map, or what AI you want on your map, or if you want them at all. That's fair. I don't think every map needs AI.
Killing spree. Reinforcement. Double kill.
Current objective, survive. Okay, I believe this is the last firefight wave that occurs, and then normally it ends the game. So after we kill this wave, it shouldn't end the wave because I think we disconnected the scripting functionality for that. We do have a couple vehicles here.
5 enemies remaining. 2 enemies remaining.
Enemy returned their flag.
So they got
Enemy.
last enemy. They're gonna kill that last enemy, and it shouldn't end. Like, fingers crossed here, right? It should not end the game.
Reinforcement.
No, they spawned again. Although the current objective, survive, is stuck on the screen. That's coding I think we're gonna have to change. But yeah, it looks like... Oh, it's gone. Okay. And it's starting to respawn enemies. Awesome. Looks like that custom event thing is working. So now this AI will just infinitely loop. And we can just keep playing as it's going. Sweet. That's exactly what I was hoping for. Honestly, you... Ooh. You can kind of just copy the code from this map, and then I don't know if you can paste it in another map. You call it Fort Tucker. Oh my god, dude. Now you just have me more curious to see your map. I'm looking forward to when you polish that up. Oh my god, they capped. I mean, hey, it's working. Enemies are respawning past where the firefight match would have ended. I think it's just going through the whole wave set again, which is beautiful. Honestly, we could probably just get this working with other game modes too. Like, it doesn't need to just be CTF. I will say the code that makes the enemy AI follow you is a bit weird, because I don't think it really works in a massive game mode like this. It more is meant for actual firefight. So I don't know if we're gonna keep that code plugged in or not. I feel like it'd work better if the AI was spawned on each side. We're also missing AI for like UNSC guys, for the enemy team, or like, what is it, the Eagle team or whatever the other team is, Cobra. Oh my god, that AI almost jump shot me with the plasma pistol or plasma grenade.
Double kill.
You're not super proud of the map, but it's your first Infinite map. Hey, dude, there's nothing wrong with your first map not being perfect. I mean, the only way to learn is by finishing the map, so I think that should be your primary objective, and it seems like it is. So you're going to learn a lot more finishing a map than you are going to be perfecting it. But you don't know if you should go for a rainy night or bright day for the theme of the skybox. Interesting. I don't know. I guess it really just depends on, you know, the atmosphere of your map. You could always do both. Just make them 2 separate downloads. Or 2 separate files. Alright, I think I know what changes we want to make here. So we're gonna go ahead and end the game here, because it seems like it's working perfectly.
Victory, Spartan. Keep it up.
We're gonna add some UNSC Marine AI to each side. You didn't think of doing both? Yeah, you always can. The benefit of saving. Alright, let's pop back in the forge here. Is there somebody in the fire team? There is. Oops. That's really bad timing. I have to boot them for now. Sorry about that. I don't know if you were someone from the stream or not, but I need to make this invite only. Because I gotta hop back into the forge map. I also should probably rename it. It's not entirely a CTF map. Okay, this is the part I get confused by. Okay, I think we're good. Also, how's the music compared to like the volume of my voice and the volume of the game? Because I did increase it from last stream because I felt it was a bit quiet. I'm just hoping it's not like too overwhelming. I kind of want it to just ride in the background. Your main problem with the daytime, though, is that it's on the space map. When I have the time on day, all the lighting and metal objects doesn't match the skybox at all. Well, what if you rebake the lighting reflections? The light skybox reflections. Razorback, welcome. How you doing, man? Welcome back. We've been doing some spicy AI Forge things. Okay, so we have... Oh. We should have some Marines spawn in on this side, I believe. So if I press F6, we're going to see where they spawn.
Reinforcements.
Okay, it looks like they spawn right there. So... Dude, these things make sound? What? That's sick. Is there a sound source attached to this? Or is this just part of a map? Oh no, this is just an actual thing? That's really cool. I didn't know that was a thing. Okay, so this here should be the AI spawner for Marines, right? So we get one Marine, Marine Heavy. Well, Unit 3 is just missing entirely. So that spawns in Marines. What does this spawn in? This also spawns in one Marine. Interesting. So they spawn on Eagle. This must be a reinforcement Marine. Like a Marine you get after fighting for a little bit. You love this song in C? So do I, man. Razorback, you said, nice, just started a map. Planning on it being a wave defense with Covenant attacking a UNSC ship. Or Spartans attacking a copy/Banish ship. Ooh, that sounds fun. We have to rebake lighting here, it seems. So this is an AI move zone. It looks like that these are kind of just here. Interesting. Okay, so this spawns in 3 Marines, the other one spawns in 1. How many are here total? 4? 3? Okay, I guess
I like this one.
the 4th one just kind of shows up later. Oh, check out how nice. It's probably because of what I said. My stream is delayed by like a couple seconds, so I'll miss any jokes like that. But I'm sure I can go back and watch it. Okay, so it spawns in 1 Marine, Sniper Marine, and a Demolisher Marine. So here's what I'm thinking, right? I just copy these and put them over here. So I do not believe... Whoops, it's Control D. Cannot duplicate forge simulation limit reached. Oh my god. Really? So this map really maxes out the budget for Forge AI, huh? Is this a prefab? It is a prefab of move zones, okay. Well, shoot. I still want to make it even by adding in these AI, so I think I'm just going to delete the Marine spawners here. Go into the logic for one of the nodes. Where's the pinging? On unit killed, player spawn, give new equipment. I'm gonna get rid of this. Also, I'm not gonna remove anything. I'm just gonna clear connections because I don't want to break any of the coding in case I need to reuse it. Get squads on team, cast fall object. So on player mark, this is not really useful because every player can do this and it's going to be a nightmare. This is for firefight. This will not work well for what we're trying to do. Cast a squad. How does it know what squad to get? Is it just... Oh, it's getting the squad list of the entire team. Okay. Be right back. You're going to go smoke? Okay. Have fun. Get random players. Get player position. Get us dead. I think we're good here. So all we need to do is just place a player spawner. Preferably just in this flag room, right? Or somewhere over here. So we'll just do AI. Gameplay, AI. Spawner. And just put them here. And this will just respawn. What's it called? Marines. I gotta get the teams right though. Where would the team be? Team, here we go. So this one's Eagle. This will spawn Marines. So we can only do 2 Marines, I think. So we got a Marine Demolition, Marine Assault. Spawn in here.
Reinforcements.
So there's the Marines. These guys kind of just defend here.
Hey there, Chief.
So we got a rocket launcher dude. And we get a guy who grabbed the bandit. I'm actually surprised they could use the bandit because that's a weapon that was never in the campaign. So it's cool that they have functionality to do that. I'm guessing it's just using the battle rifles, like prefab, as like a thing they built it off of. Look, you can pick up a team in a Warthog here. Look at that.
You're gonna look real cool with that machine crushed around you.
Alright, so this is this team's. We should be able to copy this and put it by the other flag position for the other team. Just a good question. Where's it at? Could it be one of many places? Oh, I guess so. We'll just put theirs here. And then this will actually be the other team. We'll also put the other one in the same spot. Grab this, scoot it over. Oh, hold on. That's not what I want to do. Grab this, scoot it over. Is this an AI spawn for enemies? Or is this a move zone? That's part of the move zone, I think. Right? Not going insane, am I? AI move zone. That is not a move zone. That is a prefab for probably spawning in enemies, which is not a good thing. Alright. Well, hey. That's fine. Save. Alright, so this would be the other team then. So the one that isn't Eagle. Cobra. Go ahead and spawn in here.
Reinforcements.
This is what I can fight.
Let's go check out those other Marines then. You're still learning how scripting works in this game. Yeah, it's a little complex, especially if you don't come from a somewhat programmer background, or like even a visual scripting background or game dev background. It's very daunting.
One of you tastes like chicken. You're a maniac, and I kind of
Where are the AI? Oh,
understand how that thing works.
do we not have a budget? What's going on here? They should have spawned in. Cobra guys, Marines. Yeah. Can I change teams? Cobra. There should be Marines here.
Reinforcements.
Oh, there are. Yeah, these are Cobra dudes. What?
Buckle up.
Enemy vehicles on the way.
That turret's not coming. Contact is down.
All right, they're here. Weird. You're excited the master makes some badass maps. Me too, man. All right, so we got 4 Marines. One of them being a rocket launcher is pretty good.
Climb out of that thing, coward.
I wonder, should we do 2 rocket launcher Marines? It'd probably be a little broken because people could pick up the rockets. All right, I think that's pretty good. The Marines don't respawn though, so maybe that's something we should fix. I don't know how we should handle the Marine respawning. Like, maybe after both of them die, make them wait like, I don't know, 30 seconds to respawn them again, just so that people aren't abusing the rocket launcher Marine. Because I feel like that could be a problem. All right. Just thinking here. Let's go ahead and do that. So let's grab this prefab. We're going to spawn in a separate script brain. Just because this is my own code and not the code we've been modifying. In the campaign of this game, you used to get a rally hog full of Marines with rockets and unleashed chaos onto the free roam. I used to put the campaign Sentinel Beam variant on all the Marines, or the volatile skewer on all the Marines, and it made the campaign a breeze to the point where like it wasn't even fun because how like it's just so broken what you can do with it. Okay, so we'll select this and this. Open up the node graph. Create object references to the AI spawner. Okay, so here's the AI spawner for those 2 Marines. So all we need to do is just check for when they're dead. On AI unit killed. On squad arrived. Yeah, but with the rockets, it's fun because the Marines would sometimes send the hog thing. Dude, that actually does sound fun. So when an AI is killed, we eventually want to just respawn them. Trigger AI spawner. So this would be the spawner. So this would be the spawner we were trying to trigger. We can't do this when a unit is killed. We need to do it when the whole squad is dead. So we need to see ally squad with the free-for-all player. Assign AI unit to spawn squad. Side squad to teams. We're just looking for the percentage. Somebody showed me this yesterday. Get all AI spawners. No, we're just looking for like, are they dead? Set squad, stop following. Where's bots, death context? In this you need to know how about squads. Here comes the problems. I'm doing okay with the squad stuff so far. Like, it knows the squad based on the AI you kill. So it's not really an issue. Like, squads are just predetermined based on the spawner. Whatever you spawn from a spawner is a squad. And then you can just pass that object reference. Or the squad reference from there. On AI unit killed, all I need to do... Man, what am I like? There's a percentage, right? Combine squads, get all units from squads. Get squad from here, kill squads, spawn through. Override behavior, logic. No. Get available AI unit control, get his AI. Get squad AI control, get squad compensate, squad UI label. Get squads from Smart, get squads. Is AI unit of species? No. Apply undetectable to AI. Apply AI. Dang, man. Death context. It was in my stream yesterday. It's also on the other map I can load into. So I know I have it. Maybe it's in logic, compare. Just normal logic, I don't know. Okay, we're just gonna find the node manually. So this is fine. We'll come back to this. I'm gonna go load up the other map. Okay, so then we'll just load up the map I was working on yesterday for fun. We were screwing around in the settings. And I know one of these brains has the node for this. Oh, did it not launch? What? Thought it did, my bad. It's not loading, what the hell? Okay, that's why I'm so confused. What is going on, man? What is going on? Alright, restarting the game. Remember back in Halo 3, you had to do glitch to get stuff to float. Oh, don't remind me of that pain, man. I remember that. I never ended up doing it. I just remember, like, that's how you had to make those maps. Alright, here we go. Forge, my files. Pick this one, play. Hopefully this works now. Yeah, if any of you guys also know about the game Arma, we've been doing Arma 3 streams every like weekend on Saturday or Sunday, and we've been playing with a Halo mod pack that I put together and just has a bunch of curated settings and stuff, and it's been a blast. Basically, we have limited resources and we have to take all the equipment that we can, and it's basically like, it's been a 2-month-long game session so far of just stealing all the equipment we can while the Covenant is invading like the UNSC. And we like play as the insurrectionists. Oh man, somebody blew out the colors on this map. But if anyone's curious, I have a YouTube video regarding what that is on my channel. It's my most recent video, but I recommend you guys check it out if you haven't already, because it is awesome. And if you don't know what Arma is, it's a very good introduction to it as well. On squad remaining percent. This is the node. Which one is it from? On squad remaining percent. I don't know what this is, but now we know what to look for since we know the name of it. Your thing about... Oh, wait, sorry. I am a couple messages behind. Halo has 10,000 players in Steam right now. It's been a long time since it's had that many. It had 18,000 yesterday from what I saw. Sniper Jackals with the S7 are so brutal and cursed. I love it. I'm scared to fight them. And Tucker, you said your thing about Infinite Forge is you want them to add some more drivable vehicles like the Pelican, the Longsword, etc. I also just want more vehicles in Infinite. Maybe one day we'll get a Falcon. You know, who knows? It's possible. On squad remaining percent. We're gonna find it. Aha, we found it. It's an events AI. Okay. So we can use that event to do this. The question is, it doesn't really know the squad, which is weird. You feel like you should be able to put a squad into here and then have this check what squad it is. And then we're doing a... this is kind of weird. How does it not know the squad? Oh no, this is just X. Okay, never mind. This should be fine. Leave Forge. Okay, yeah, we should be okay. You would love if they add back the space battles from Reach. That'd be sick, man. Tucker, you said, also, I love those Arma Halo Invasion mods. Just sucks you can't play them. Dang, do you just not have a PC? Or is, do you have a PC that just can't run Arma? You should. You should have a PC that could run Arma. It's very old. I'm assuming you just have an Xbox then, because if you're playing Infinite, you have a console. And if you had a PC that could play Infinite, you would have a PC that could play Arma. So I'm guessing that's got to be the case. You don't have a PC? Yeah. Okay. Damn, man. That was not my files, was it? There we go. That's the right one. Hopefully this works here. Yeah, Arma is one of those games where it's like base game is pretty decent, but like the mod support for it is just insane. Yeah, hell yeah, dude. Nice. Definitely save up for PC. It sucks PCs are so expensive right now though. Some tips though, if you're building one, I don't know if you're going like pre-built or building your own. As good as Nvidia cards are, you're gonna save a lot of money going AMD in terms of graphics cards. And you're also gonna get more VRAM out of it, so 2 benefits there. Oh, Chris, hello. Hello, sir, this is the Forge Police. Oh no, he found me. I've been spotted, guys. I gotta end the stream. The Forge Police found me. Chris, why is your introduction to this stream this song from Halo 5? Could not have picked a better time to come and join. I'm busted. Shoot, man. That's a shame. Alright, events AI. On squad remaining percent. This is the one. Trigger the AI spawner. And then we just use a branch. Right, branch. Where's the... What am I thinking of here? Be in logic? Boolean. Branch. There we go. So this is only gonna clear the connection. This is only gonna fire off if this condition is true. So we need to compare the squads and just make sure they're correct. But if it's true, it's gonna respawn this AI here. Chris, you asked me, you're working on the Rat's Nest map again? So I took the one... Rat's Nest seems to be the template map 343 released for Forge AI. So I've kind of just been dissecting it and making edits to it. So what I've done so far is I've taken the map from a firefight map into a objective-based map that has infinite looping firefight waves. So the issue is that once you got through like the 7 waves of firefight or whatever, it was restarting. Like the game was ending and the game mode was not like taken into account into whatsoever. So I made it infinitely loop. So once it finishes the final wave of firefight, it goes back to the beginning. I'm also reworking some of the AI and how they work so that it better suits CTF and like objective based modes. And I'm also adding Marines to each base that defend the base, because right now they only spawn 4 Marines on one side and the other side doesn't get any. And I'm also making it so that the Marines will respawn based on like certain conditions being met. So yeah, I'm kind of just transforming the map into a PvPvE mode instead of like just firefight. Instead of like designing a map and then doing all the scripting of the AI myself, I'm just turning a map with most of the code done into a different mode to play. Yeah, it's super cool. I'm excited because like our games kept ending right when they were getting good. Tucker fan, you asked, yeah man, I love the modding community, especially Rejected Shotgun's MCC modding. I'm gonna pre-built, or you're getting a pre-built for your PC. Sick, man. Honestly, probably a good choice. PC building isn't difficult, but it's trying to find parts for that and doing that for your first time could be very daunting. Unless you have someone who like knows what they're doing, helping you out. But yeah, no, MCC mods have been so cool, man. Rejected Shotgun's been doing some insane things regarding Reach. I've been seeing him live stream a lot and putting in a lot of really cool work into his mods. Chris, you said, dude, PC building is such a process. I wish you luck, Tucker. Well, Tucker's going with the pre-built, so he should be all clear there, unless, you know, just make sure it's a reputable pre-built company. I think he should be fine. So what I'm currently doing is I'm making the spawning of the AI for the Marines work based on their percentage remaining. So currently I'm going to set their percentage remain to 0. So when this hits 0, this event's going to fire off. We're going to check to see if the squad is... I guess this is kind of the complicated part. Let me keep that there for now. Tucker, you also said huge grass on Halo 3 looks so badass by Rejected Shotgun. It does. Reactor said, where is the trigger AI? The trigger AI spawner. This node here, I'm assuming you're talking about, would be in AI, the very top tab under recent. It's at the very bottom, trigger AI spawner. And then you just pass the object reference in. So like what you would do is you'd select the AI spawner and then select the AI brain you're working in too. And then go into the node graph, right click. I don't know what it is on controller. And then you just add the object references and you'll get access to that very particular spawner there. So that's how I'm doing this. Yeah, Chris, you had a lot of help from Micro Center. I love Micro Center. Really, really good computer store, just in general. Fantastic service. People there are really good at what they do. So, okay, all I need to do is make sure the squad is the squad from this object reference, which is kind of tough to do. Like, I wish I could just pass in this, like pass this to this so it knows. It's weird that this event fires for every squad percent that hits 0 and tries to work instead of just doing it for individual squads. How do we find a squad? I'm trying to think. So we would just need to do a squad based on a team, right? Get squad from AI units. Get all squads on team. This would work. So this gets us a squad list. And for the team, we can just pass in, like, for example, I believe we're working with Cobra right now. So we just pass in the Cobra team. The only squad on Cobra team is the Marine squads. So all we need to make sure is that if the Cobra team squads drop to 0%, respawn this. So we just need to compare the squads. There should be compare logic. Compare character type, compare equipment, squad state, squads. So we take this squad. Oh wait, we have a list of squads. Right. Okay, well then all we need to do is just see if the squad is from Cobra. That might be easier. Can we do that? Can we find out what team a squad is on? Compare, if we just go to AI. Can we get team from squad? Get all AI units, get all AI, get all squads on team. That might also work. Get squad definition from AI spawner. Returns a squad definition from AI spawner, which contains unit and spawning data based off the spawner's object properties. Additionally, apply squad overrides before returning. I don't know. Get squad from AI unit. So that'll check the AI unit that dies and see what squad they're from. Spawn squad through definition, squad override, squad overrides. Tucker, you were saying, what are some good pre-built PC places, by the way? Digital Storm, they're all right. They're pricey depending on what you want. Just be sure to do research. I agree, honestly. Just do your research. I can't really pinpoint any company that I'd be like, yes, this is the one you should only buy PCs from, because I feel like all of them have their own issues. Like, one of them might be more expensive than the other. One might have better quality control than the other. One might be able to build PCs better. I don't know. I can give you some to stay away from. Walmart. Don't buy PCs from Walmart. Probably don't buy PCs from Target. Probably just don't buy a PC from, like, a name brand retail store. Best Buy, maybe. I couldn't really say. But again, Best Buy is getting PCs from other manufacturers, like other pre-built places. Chris said Walmart PCs. I'm saying places to avoid, Chris. I'm not saying places to buy from. Oh, you fell into that trap when you bought your first. Good lord. Yeah. I'd say definitely, like, stick your budget first. Figure out what you want to do. Figure out, like, what resolution you want to play on, what frame rate you want to reach, what games you want to play. Then determine a budget, figure out what's possible in there. And then you take into account you need a monitor, a keyboard, a mouse, a place to put all this stuff. It's so annoying, man. It shouldn't be. You don't even buy consoles from Walmart, Target. Very fair. Good decision making there. Get squad team. This might be it here. No, give me. Connect. No. Why not? Why not? Why won't you connect? It should work. Look, it's literally highlighting, dude. Is it because it's giving me a squad list? On squad remaining percent. It's giving me the squad. It's literally the identifier. Why can't you tell me the squad team? Hello, Hike. Welcome back. Get squads from spawner. Returns a squad list containing all currently spawned squads that came from the AI spawner. The order of list entries is random. Get squads with squad label. Get squad has squad label. Get squad definition. Get squad AI unit control. Get his AI. Get available AI control. Get all AI spawners. See, this one is cool. Where'd that node go? Get all AI spawners. This seems sick, man. Why is it not doing anything? Where are all these nodes going? Something is clearly broken. It is not me. Something is broken. I am restarting Forge. Because that should have been spawning in nodes and it wouldn't let me connect the squad node. Something wasn't working. I gotta restart here. I don't know how this works. Do I want to play latest version or selected version? Why would I be loading an older version? Play the latest one. You gotta record? Okay. Feel free to record now. I just won't say anything. Love you. My girlfriend's gonna record. She's really cool. I have to be quiet for a second. Yeah, the game crashed. I would mute, but my mute button doesn't work on my mixer. I get to be awkwardly quiet. Yeah, ASMR. ASMR, as I like to call it. Yeah, finally. And hello guys, welcome to my ASMR Forge AI stream. This music does not fit what I'm doing at all. Y'all done? Yeah. Everyone wants me to keep going because I was doing ASMR stream. Say something funny in the mic.
Joe.
How dare you? I love you.
Me too.
Have fun. Oh, I will. I'm trying to get my game to work.
I just got the time for food and stuff.
Oh, okay.
It's at 5:30. It's at 7.
Okay, we can go soon if you want. We're gonna go buy a boo bucket.
If they're still in stock.
She wants to go to McDonald's and get like the Halloween meal thing.
First.
Yeah.
Supplies last.
Mm,
I gotta get ready for
Halloweeny.
Halloween.
What? I can say whatever I want. I'm a grown ass adult. Halloweeny. No. Don't make it weird. I don't know what the boo bucket is. Apparently it's just it's like a little trick or treat basket that you can get your McDonald's food in for some reason. I don't know. American capitalism. Have fun. Love you. Haha. Now we can go do node-graph stuff. I didn't think this was gonna load. Oh, hey, here's all that. Are these the nodes that just didn't spawn here? Get all squads on team. So I think we're kind of, oh, can we, you know, let's slow down. Oh my God, it's plugged in. The node's actually plugged in. It worked. It did work. This makes my life easy. Because then all we need to do is just compare the team now. We don't need to compare the, this is kind of like a patch fix, but whatever. Like, it'll technically function correctly. Don't need these. I'll keep them there just in case. Dude, I'm hearing the Halo Infinite reveal trailer music. Now I'm getting sad because this trailer was sick. And I'm really sad that we got like not a lot of the things they showed. It was a tech demo, but come on. Like the rhinoceroses, space rhinos, space deer. Oh, but instead we got capybaras, space capybaras, man. I'm so OG. What do you mean I'm so OG? At Halo? No. Nah. Yo, Tuca. Oh shit, sorry. I totally missed some of the messages. Tuca, you said my favorite late afternoon stream to partake in when working on your homework. Yep. I appreciate it. Also, welcome. Honestly, kind of wish we saw the rhinos as or the big crusher enemy shown. Yep. Playing Halo since 2009. Yeah, it's not OG. Zeta Halo has a lot of wonder that I haven't seen. I agree. There's a lot of things I wish I could have seen, but that's okay. If it's better than it's ever been right now, it's great. I was super against the game when it came out because I felt very let down. But now the game finally feels like it's picking itself up, and all you can do now is enjoy it. But man, yeah, it kind of sucked being a Halo fan for a bit if you weren't into the newer stuff. But if you were, then I guess it hasn't been too bad. Okay, so all we need to do is just get a node. Should be logic compare here, and then we're just going to check teams, compare teams. Here we go. So all we're doing, right? Grabbing this. We could even probably just tell this what the other team is. So team A, Cobra. If the squad it's checking is on the Cobra team and they're all fucking dead, then it'll respawn the AI spawner here. Hopefully that's the goal. So the rest of these are kind of just whatever. These are also kind of just whatever. This, okay, I want a preference. What I'm doing in this code here will not work if you have more than one squad. Actually, you know what? No, I lied. This will absolutely work. So if the Cobra guys are dead, they'll just respawn. What am I even thinking? Let's test it out. Let's see if I'm even, doing good. Hike, you have to go bye. Have a great stream. Thanks for popping in, dude. It's been fun. Oh, I think these are the Cobra guys here. I do not condone violence. 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 Right, Nicole? Yeah, I don't condone violence. And do they respawn? No? Maybe this is the wrong team. Oh, you know what? It would be the wrong team because I did not change teams again back to Cobra. That makes sense. All right. Infinite is better than it's ever been. I agree. Get this man a true. True. Yep, we got 2 trues here. Tucker fan, Infinite is better than 4 and 5 were, so I'm contempt. Yes, personally, I like some things about 5. Like, I thought Warzone, other than the cards, like, the game mode itself was fun. I just didn't like the mechanics of Halo 5. But I felt the game mode would just fit in with Infinite perfectly. Like, I feel like it would work really well. Minus the rec system. But do it, just not in a way where it's microtransaction heavy. Double 17, you said you tried something similar to what you're doing, and every time I get a single squad dies, they would all respawn, even when I identified individual spawners. Oh, okay. Well, that's something I will take into account when watching it. Where's the brain, man? Here's the brain. All right.
Reinforcement.
Now we should be on the other side. I need to borrow this. Important scientific research. And they respawn. Look at that. We want to add a delay to their spawn, though. Otherwise, people are just going to farm. Oh, they weren't all dead, and they respawned. Interesting. Oh. Oh, no. Oh. All right, we have a little issue with our code here. Okay, well, that's an issue. Tucker, you said, agreed, you hated the Rex, but you loved Warzone. You used to play it a lot in Halo 5. I did too. I used to play Warzone Firefight a lot, man. That was fun. Warzone Firefight was peak. I like ODST Firefight because I feel like it nails the atmosphere and the gameplay, but Warzone Firefight was a very, very fun casual mode to play in Halo 5 because of the amount of content there was with weapon variations, vehicle variations, AI, bosses, and variations. There was so much content to experience in Warzone Firefight. You could not, like, complain about it just because it was just great. It was like the standout feature in Halo 5, I felt. And I kind of would love for Halo Infinite to adopt Warzone and Firefight again, the way Halo 5 did, along with vehicles and enemies. I also hope they add, like, with the new campaign AI, I hope they just add new AI to the game. I know it'd be kind of weird without a campaign, but like, I would love it. Just I think everyone would, you know? Just getting new AI would be fantastic. I think we're gonna try to run a delay or something here. I don't know if we can. There's a stopwatch. Stopwatch. So this is just a timer, essentially, I'm assuming. Oh, we got a great song going on here. It's a shame I'm wasting this song in the node graph. All right. Where could I find a delay? AI, advanced waves, audio bots, death context, debugs. It's definitely not gonna be in events. Game modes, inventory, list, logic. You'd like to see some drones and grunt goblins back. Yes, dude. I would love both of those. Also, this is a lot. I'd like to see a scarab really badly, man. It's probably not gonna happen, but like, you know, someone can dream, right? Tucker, you said also earlier you had an idea to make Warzone, Firefight, and Forge, but don't know how to go about it. Also, amazing song. Yeah, I agree. Did you say for your entertainment ass song? FYE. Tucker, you gotta help me out, man. What do you mean? Are you saying the song is horrible or that the song is great? Tuki said you just want to make a random chimp event map where brutes just spawn at random intervals at random locations with random gear. Fire equals FYE. Oh, okay, thanks. Sorry, I'm used to like the acronym for your entertainment, or like the, what, isn't FYE a store? You could buy like a bunch of modern pop culture stuff at. Here's a bunch of math. We really just, oh, there's trigonometry. I just got pain in my brain reading that. I'm gonna skip over that tab entirely. Add object to list. This song's also great. This one's used in Halo Legends, talking about the Forerunners, and like Cortana's narrating it. If you guys haven't seen Halo Legends, like just stop watching my stream and go watch Halo Legends. Just all of the shorts. I don't care. They're fantastic. Like, what are you doing here? Halo Legends is like the best out of game media you're getting for Halo. I'm sorry. The show is nowhere close. The movies have never been close. Forward Unto Dawn was okay. It was like okay. Halo Legends is like 11 out of 10. It's just kind of dated now, but it's fantastic. Active transform. All right, bet. Go do it, man. Go watch Halo Legends. You won't regret it. It's fantastic. It's just a bunch of like anthology shorts. None of them are canon, but they're just fun. See, when I check it out, do it. You will not regret it. Forward Unto Dawn absolutely nailed the efficiency of the Covenant and Spartans in actual combat. I agree. That was the best part of Forward Unto Dawn. They conveyed, I think, the Covenant and the Spartans, like everything felt like it was proper. My issue with Forward Unto Dawn is at that time, they lost the Halo aesthetic, they lost the Halo music, and it's kind of like it was going through its identity crisis. So like it just didn't look like Halo, and it didn't feel like Halo. But in terms of like what they were showing and how they depicted things, really good. You actually lived near the place where they filmed the UNSC Academy bits for Forward Unto Dawn. Really neat location. A shame the architecture is what it is, though. Damn, that's kind of cool. Also, a few of the Halo Legends sorts are canon. Oh, really? I think Babysitter and the one about the Arbiter. That is interesting. Forward Unto Dawn was so good. Unfortunately, now we have the Halo TV show. We do not speak. Hold on, wait, hold on.
We do not speak about the Halo show on this stream. It has only brought pain.
The Arbiter one is canon. Cool. I didn't know that. Man, I need to find a delay. Master Cheeks, Chris, stop it.
You gotta stop, Chris, please. Chris, no.
It's a university campus that's literally on top of a somewhat short mountain filled with brutalism. Your university's on the other side of the town. Got Saul Goodman to film there, so who really wins? Dude, that's really cool. What? That actually sounds awesome. I hate that I'm just spending all my time in this menu because I have no clue how to make a delay. Halo Infinite Forge delay. Maybe you can't do delays. Oh my god, I look Forge delay and I get literally the development of Forge being delayed. Not what I meant, man. Scripting delay. Delay object spawn. You know, we could just... We don't need to do a delay, actually. We could instead do a stopwatch. Where's the stopwatch? Stopwatch? Create stopwatch. Sure. We need to end the stopwatch, too. Pause stopwatch, reset stopwatch, restart stopwatch, stop stopwatch. Reset stopwatch is also going to be important here. We can just create a fake delay using the timer here. Tuca don't live there anymore, but it was really neat. That sounds cool though. Vancouver is called Hollywood North for a reason. The Saul Goodman actor, who I cannot pronounce his last name, but his first name is Bob, actually chatted with students during downtime when he was out there filming. That's fucking cool, dude. That seems really fun. You're on the other side of the country, Tucker. Dang. Alright, so my idea here is maybe we can just start the stopwatch. When the timer hits a certain thing, we stop the timer. Where's the stop? Did I get... Where's the stop? Create, reset, restart, start. Is there no stop, start watch? Stopwatch? Shoot. All we need to do here then is pause. So... if we pause it and restart it, so we'll just connect these two together. We will start stopwatch. When do we create it? We'd have to create it at game start, right? Can we kill a stopwatch? Like get rid of it? Elapsed time. I'd assume the stopwatch wouldn't stop, right? Oh, maybe there's no way to check the elapsed time on the stopwatch. There's no event for it. Event custom generic event players game mode event custom on trigger custom on stopwatch reaches. Oh, we got it. It's right here. Perfect. So this is all we need to do. So we just need to fire off custom events. Oh, this is so easy, man. Okay. So we're just setting up a delay here. So we want to spawn the AI, but we want this. So we got the condition. So if it's a part of the same team, it's gonna spawn the AI, but we want to make a delay. So the delay needs to be a custom event. So this makes it true. So if this is true, start the stopwatch, basically. Hold on. Clear connections. So basically what this is doing is if the team squad member dies and he's a part of the right team, we're going to start a stopwatch here. Right? And then the stopwatch is going to go until it reaches a certain amount of time. In our case, we're going to pick seconds here. So we're going to do 10 seconds for debugging and just learning how it works. So once this stopwatch reaches 10 seconds, trigger the AI spawner. But we also want to pause the stopwatch and reset the stopwatch once it is done. Because if we do not do that, the timer is going to keep counting, and we don't need that to keep going on because we would just be wasting processing time, probably. Realistically, that's probably what's happening, but I think it's not that big of a deal in this. I don't know. Okay, so on stopwatch reaches in seconds. So now we just need to create the stopwatch because it starts it, but it doesn't create one. Create stopwatch identifier, start immediately. I want that set to false. Stopwatch identifier. You know, we could we create the stopwatch every single time? That might be a bad idea. We would just want to kind of keep it here. What should we do? Can I like create an identifier? Like a variable, player traits, players, stopwatches, variables, basic, area monitor, boolean, equipment type, identifier. Oh my god. No, is it gone? Something broke. No, I think I have to restart. Damn. Okay, well, we're getting there. Ugh. Now let me catch up on chat here. Our side of the country, I'm now live in Ontario now. Oh, you meant Canada. I thought there was a Vancouver in the USA. Tuki said there is on the other side state line from Portland, Oregon. You guys are just pretty much talking about geography. New England. Ooh. Latest version. Your lawyers had advised me not to speak about your dad's background. Oh my god. I don't know if that's a meme or not. That's very intimidating. Well, sounds like you have an interesting history. Hopefully this lets me in again. Jeez, man. All sounds very complex. All right, so this node graph here, you guys should be careful about what you say in my chat. I'm not gonna ban anyone or anything. I know what you're trying to talk about, but like, Probably not appropriate for a stream chat here, especially because I take clips and stuff and put them on YouTube. I'd have to blur out chat. Even if it's talking about family history or history of people you know. Squad remaining percent. No, you guys are okay. I'm just letting you know. Like, probably not gonna be the best look for someone joining the chat and immediately reading that. Okay, so we were just having an issue trying to get the identifier. Now we got it, of course, so now it wants to work. So we can just name this identifier. We're gonna call this respawn delay. Is it okay? Is it freaking out? We good? No? Maybe there can't be spaces. Maybe just call it delay. The identifier just isn't working. Maybe I'm using it wrong. Object list, string, team. My brain is telling me I could just use a string. Like, why wouldn't I be able to? Oh, it's not an actual string. It's just, it's a preset string. Okay, can we just use, maybe it is just a name. Can I just, oh, maybe, no, they are just a bunch of random strings. Sandwich. Perfect. And then we can use, oh, we can't use the string as the identifier. Dang. So I have to just put this in myself. Stopwatch identifier. Halo. It's not working. What is going on? What do I not understand about the identifier? Is it like a physical name? Or like a specific tag it's looking for? Shoot, man. Team label. I mean, we have the identifier here. Can I just... Seconds, empty, stopwatch identifier. I mean... It's technically empty as an identifier, right? I don't see why I couldn't just use it. Watch the first episode of Halo Legends. How did I not know this exists until now? Right? It's so good, dude. It's fantastic. These trolls actually make me think that at some point, some mad lad is gonna go deep into Forge and find out it's Turing complete. Oh no. Oh, that's scary. That'd be funny though. We do need something to like kind of kick off the stopwatch here, so I might just assign the execution to do it this way. On stopwatch reaches end seconds. It didn't save the time we input for it, so I'm gonna change that back to 30 and save, and then check this again. We should be good now. I don't know if this is gonna work, but it might. Oh, start immediately. Maybe I don't need the start stopwatch. We could just set this to true, and then maybe that'll work. Let me actually just unpin this connection here instead, so that I can use it later if I need to. That's set to true. So we got 30-second delay. Make that a 10-second delay instead. Back out here, save, and then we got swap to Cobra team again, but hopefully this works. I think people already have the Turing stuff in Forge. No clue. That'd be creepy, man. Yeah, bad news for you. Halo TV show has been announced to get a second season. Trust me, I know, man. They approved the second season before they released the first season. That's all I'm gonna say. Like, someone watched it and was like, oh my god, this is peak Halo. They greenlit the second season. Ugh. Alright. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh! I did it. What's up, Nicole? I made it so that they respawn in 10 seconds. No. No, I was not jumping 10 times for fun.
But I feel like that's something you would do.
What's what? The rocket launcher? Yeah. What's up? Yeah. These are my friends. What? I don't condone violence. Nah. Yeah, they respawn every 10 seconds. That guy just got hit by a car, just like me. But, yeah. I'm dead. I've deceased myself. Thanks. I didn't make most of it.
No.
Most of it. I made part of it. I almost left by accident. What's up? Hungry? Okay, we could, what time are you hanging out? 5:30? 4:45? Okay. At 4:45, so like, oh, come here. Like 20 or so minutes from now, I'm gonna go with Nicole to McDonald's and we're gonna go grab the Boo Bucket Snack Mac Attack. I don't know what it's called. What is it? If they're still in stock. And then I'm gonna continue my stream after that, probably. Sorry. Yeah, joking about the Halo TV show getting renewed. No, the second season definitely got approved before the first season came out. I remember reading on about that, and I'm like, this is not good news. And then we saw the show, and then I regretted it. Okay, so it looks like this works. That's really cool. We got the spawn time to 10 seconds. We're just gonna set that to 20 because they spawn rocket launchers and they're a bit overpowered. All I need to do here really is just copy this code, fly all the way over here. Cannot duplicate object, forge simulation limit. What do you mean simulation limit met? What does that mean? What do you mean? Okay, let me save. Restart the game, see if we duplicate it. I hope they get Keith David to voice the Arbiter if he's going to be in season 2. I hope so too, but also like I wish the Halo show wouldn't exist. I just wish just fade away into sweet nothingness. Just everyone would forget it and move on. And then Neil Blomkamp would make a fucking banger Halo movie like in 3 years, because obviously Microsoft would love to pay him just millions of dollars to make a Halo movie, because he absolutely should. The dude is talented. He made the Halo 3 short film for the release of Halo 3, and he was gonna make a movie with that budget, but he couldn't, and turned into District 9. Dude is a fantastic director. He loves Halo. He should 100% just be allowed to make the movie. I don't know who did the script for it too. I don't know if it was him or another scriptwriter, but like fantastic. That like perfect depiction of Halo. Could not be better. Showed the UNSC industry just building weapons. How does assembling a sniper rifle for 10 seconds on screen more entertaining than the entirety of the Halo show? That's all I'm saying, man. All right, we're gonna try to duplicate this again. No, so we're just at a simulation limit. Okay, well, I feel like that's just because that has to be like a limitation due to the object itself and not actually that we're at a physical limit. That's kind of annoying because I would use multiple script brains to organize things because it just makes sense, you know? All right, so we're just gonna check out what this spawns. Yep, okay, so this spawns the Marines here. Just gonna keep that selected, go back to that other script brain, select it as well, and then we're gonna go into node graph. We're just going to add object references to that spawner. Scoot all this down, and I'm literally just going to duplicate this code. I don't think that worked. Did it? Oh. No, it didn't. Okay. What's up? Love you. Just Stain was working on it with him. Man, I want him to get the rights to just work on Halo. He would deliver, man. Can I really just not duplicate this entire code? So we're just checking to see if it's part of which team. Can we just do another check? Here's what we'll do then. Run the same code. Here's the new AI spawner. Do it in a separate branch. Get squad team. Keep this here. We're just running the same exact code. Oh, come on. The node graph broke on me again. All right. Yeah, so guys, just letting you know, at 4:45, I'm going to be heading out for a bit, and then I shall be back later to continue the stream. If you guys aren't already in the Discord, and you want to hop into our public games during game night this weekend, feel free to join in the description. I know it's like my 4th time talking about it, but it'd be nice to just have a bunch of people to hang out with on the weekend, play some Halo, screw around custom games. You know, we get match XP from it now because of the new update. Oh, ODST, let's go, man. Yeah, exactly. Krista, if you join the Discord, he'll share pics of his cat. You guys have to join, man. It's like, it's mandated now. I'll make a new account just to join again. Chris, no, please, no cringe. Tucker, you also said you wish Xbox would let other studios make spin-off games for Halo. Dude, I've been saying that for so long. I agree, man. 343 works on Infinite up until our 10-year plan is up, and even after that. Yes, we need more. Halo is such a good franchise to be wasted on purely one game genre, other than Halo Wars, and like I don't really count Spartan Assault and Spartan Strike. Like, the way I feel about Halo is kind of how I feel about Star Wars, with like, they've only let so many people make Star Wars games for so long recently. I'm just like, dude, remember like a few years ago before Disney owned Star Wars, you would just have a Star Wars game for every single type of game that would exist. Like 80% of them were kind of bad, but then like 20% of them were just absolute bangers of video games. Like Battlefront, Republic Commando, you know, etc. I could keep going. Like, there's just so many good Star Wars games that came out of just like the massive amounts of them we would get. So for this compare team, we're Jedi Academy, dude. I love Jedi Academy. Jedi Academy, if you ever played Movie Battles 2, which is a mod for Jedi Academy, there's a Movie Duels or something that's getting a multiplayer update at some point. I think it was just single player for the meantime, but I'm so looking forward to that, man. Okay, so if this is true, good. If this is false, you're gonna do another check, and you're just gonna see if it's a part of this other team. And if it is, you can run this other code. So this is gonna create that stopwatch there. This identifier. Sorry, immediately true. So we're just gonna create a new stopwatch. If it's part of that team, you're going to start this stopwatch, and you're going to use this new identifier. Hopefully this doesn't conflict with anything. Knights of the Old Republic. I've actually yet to play Knights of the Old Republic. I do have a Steam Deck now, so I've just been going through a bunch of old games and playing them on the Steam Deck. Because I'm like, this is the console. I'm going to play my single player old retro games that I never got to play or games that I just want to revisit. It's been so nice because I'm usually out of the house most of the day on Friday. So just take that thing with me and play games. It's wonderful. So we still need this identifier. It's a little annoying we have to plug in all this again. You know, it'd be nice to just connect execution pins to each other, but I just don't think it works like that. This is a little bit of a mess, I'll be honest here. Did I just break something again? What is going on? Why is this pause thing? I think I broke it again. I'm so good at breaking this. I definitely broke something again. Oh, all right, we gotta restart. Dude, oh, yeah. I'm in such pain. Works pretty well as a desktop replacement too. Saved me a lot of stress when your PC shat out a week ago. Jeez, man. Not gonna lie, Steam Deck sounds more and more enticing the more I hear about it. Okay, I agree. Steam Deck is great if you want to play games in a console mode that are before 2019, I feel. Some modern games can run on it. Infinite doesn't run super great. Like, well, it depends on your opinion of super great, right? Because you're playing on a handheld on a 720p screen at like 40 frames for Infinite, and we're talking low settings too. Yeah, Infinite isn't completely playable on the Steam Deck. It's most of the way there. Like, if it let you crank the resolution down a lot more, it would 100% run no problem. They just force a high resolution on you for Infinite for some reason. You have a Steam Deck, you use it for fighting games and games and that don't require a heavy NPC. I agree. That's what I've been using it for too. It's fantastic for that. You could get a refurbished Steam Deck, like the 64 gigabyte model, which is the least storage model. You can get one for like $320 without tax or before tax, refurbished. It's a no-brainer, honestly. But like, you know, you're not going to be playing like high resolution games, you know, at high frame rates. Like, you're not getting that like true PC elitist experience. But it's a nice little device. I think of it more as a Switch alternative than a real big old desktop. Yeah, if you get the 64 gigabyte of the Steam Deck, you can upgrade the SD card. It does take a little bit of fiddling. You gotta watch some videos on it, but it's technically possible. All right, so it is 3:35 right now. In 10 minutes, I'm going to be ending the stream for a bit, and I'm going to be heading out, and then I will return probably 40 minutes, 30 minutes afterwards. So we got trigger the spawner, pause stopwatch, reset stopwatch. So I'm going to copy this node, put it here, and then we need the identifier for the rest of these. This is such a rudimentary way of doing this. Like, it's probably not logical to do what I'm doing here, but it'll function, hopefully. It all depends on this identifier. If the empty name is the same between these two, it's going to get a little bit confused. Probably the issue is going to be when both of the squads die at the same time. But who knows? But yeah, here you can actually set the respawn time. We could take a number here, which should just be a float value. 20 seconds. There we go. And I typed 20. It's not loading. I gotta say, like, I'm impressed with the node system, but it's got a lot of issues, man. Like this number right here should 100% say 20. Value 20.0. Maybe that's the issue. Confirm. It says 20 here. Doesn't show up. Go out of the node, go back in, it's gone. Like, can't use variables. That's fine though. Logic should work now. Oh, this song is beautiful, man.
Reinforcements.
Load in here. Valve doesn't recommend it, but there's a guide to swap the SSD. Yep. Saw some guides for that. I actually got the refurbished high-end model because I did not want to do the replacement myself, but it was much less expensive than buying a brand new one. And honestly, the refurbished model I got is basically brand new. There's nothing I could tell that makes it not brand new. So, they actually say that you have the full right to take it apart and do shit. I know. That's what I love about the Steam Deck. Valve has made a very good product with very good community support and very good repairability and a warranty. It's like, it's a great product for all these other reasons. Did you figure out how to respawn only a particular squad when they die instead of all of them? Technically, yes. All I'm doing though is just respawning. So actually, I can show you that node. Okay, I think this is working now. So what's going on here is this is the squad that's respawning. It's just 2 Marines. They're attached to Eagle Team. They will respawn after 20 seconds. And the coding for that is just, let's see. Sorry, it's in this. I'm just having a brain fart. Press Q, go to node graph. It looks like a little bit of spaghetti, but that's for other things. All the code is I'm getting the squad remaining percent. So this is just checking if the squad is alive or not. And then you can get the squad based on the team. So I'm not looking at an individual squad. I'm looking at all the squads on a team. It just happens to be that there's only 1 squad on each team. So in my case, this works here. So this is the respawn for Cobra team. This is the respawn for Eagle team. It technically shares the rest of the code. I just can't connect them together. And I also need to run 2 separate timers. So these timers are just their respawn times. This is a very weird way of doing this. There's probably more efficient ways, but it's what I can make sense of right now, considering what we're doing. Ooh, we got a creepy song here. Are we going to be ending a stream on a creepy flood song? Oh god. Some weird ambience. All right, let's pop into custom game. Is this the Halo 4 main menu music? Oh my god, it is. What a throwback. Wow, I just was not expecting that. Yeah, I have very mixed feelings on Halo 4. The Forge was okay. It made some advancements, but I feel like it was a downgrade to Reach, only because Reach just had the best canvas of all time, being Forge World. And to this day, there has not been a better Forge canvas. There's just something about Forge World that it is the perfect map to like just make you want to make different things with its landscape. I don't know. It's just genius. Hated the gameplay. Liked Halo 4's story, hated the gameplay. It was really hard for me to like Halo 4 because of its art style and sound design choices. Like everything visually and auditorily was just wrong to me, even if the story was good. And that's what I couldn't like get over. Like I have that issue of if it doesn't look and sound like what I'm used to, it's just not the same. All right, I'm gonna also set this to a public 28 player match here. This is just, I'm gonna run this. I think we're using CTF. I'm just gonna run this match with some bots. And this is just gonna be running while I am away. So if you guys want to join in, you can. I will not be playing, so I'll just be kind of sitting in the lobby here. Oh, I don't know if this is allowed with the new match XP system, whatever. But yeah, the Fire team's open. Just look for Crow's Nest Firefight CTF and Big Team Battle CTF Firefight. But yeah, got like 4 more minutes here that I'm heading out. Ugh. Like snapping my back. Ugh, pain. But yeah, we're gonna be running this custom game a bit today to see if we got all of our coding set up correct and see what issues we run into. Play testing is a very important process of doing anything whatsoever. Oh, Chris, a pal of yours just installed the game. Gonna show him how cool the AI in Forge is. Nice. I mean, you could just join the game and show him yourself. Show him using this map, because technically this is an infinite running firefight match that just has CTF on it. So once CTF is over, it will end the game. Yeah, Double's gonna join Skuron. Cool. Feel free to just not capture the flag. The time is infinite. As long as you don't score 3 times, it'll keep going. What do you guys think I should do? Throw up a BRB screen or end the stream and then just restart it later? Because I might be gone for like 20 minutes or so. I love this camera just phasing through all this. You would join, but you don't have your Xbox at the moment. That's okay. I appreciate it, though. We'll definitely play some other time. Gotta work on homework, otherwise you join. End stream and start back up later. Okay. Yeah, that's what I figured to do. Oh! Are these bots? Oh, they are bots. Meowneer, I just saw that. Okay. These bots are kind of funny, actually. I like their creative names and armor. Hey, there's our AI buddies. They don't have an outline on them. Interesting. All right, I'm kind of just gonna sit here, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream right now, guys. It was fun. If you guys ever want to play Infinite at any point, just join the Discord and shoot me a message. That's all it'll take. So I will be back on stream probably in 15, 20, 30 minutes here. Yeah, thank you guys for being here. It's been really fun so far. See ya. We'll continue forging later.